Beauty. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Beauty standards.
Oo.
Okay.
Has it changed? Has it shifted? Have we become more accepting?
How do we feel about it?
Oo, parang ano ba talaga? Mas
Yes.
tinatanggap ba natin o mas binabash natin o meron tayong standard na gusto natin na dapat ito lang yung
Yes.
klase ng ganda na katanggap-tanggap?
Kami ang inyong mga may makulit eh. Hindi ako ready doon ha. Hindi ako ready. Okay,
Gumawa
go.
ng sarili namin jingle. Wala lang.
Totally yung budget namin hanggang dito pa lang sa ano. Tsaka na yung jingle.
Oh, para-paraan na lang to. Hi everybody! Welcome to another episode of Kami ang inyong mga...
Yes, at dahil feeling namin ang ganda-ganda namin.
Oo.
Ganda-ganda
At
namin.
at karapat-dapat naming pag-usapan to.
Yes.
Kasi ang dami nating kailangan sabihin tungkol dito.
Yes.
As experts,
Madami kami
Dito
mga
sa-
opinion na maaaring hindi nyo naman kailangan.
At maaaring hindi nyo rin tinatanong at hinihingi.
Oo.
Pero ibibigay
pa rin
namin sa inyo.
Yes. Totoo.
Wala kayong magagawa.
Ito ang mga unsolicited advice namin tungkol sa kagandahan. Yeah. Beauty. Oh my goodness.
Yes,
my God.
beauty standards.
Oo.
Okay.
Has it changed? Has it shifted? Have we become more accepting?
How do we feel about it?
Or mas madaot ba yung mga tao ngayon? Kasi
Yes.
may opportunity sila na magbigay ng feedback agad-agad.
Yes.
Correct. And it's actually so weird kasi parang pakiramdam ko a mix of both. Mas naging accepting
Yes.
in a way na parang ngayon wala nang zero is not a size. 'Di ba? And we see people out there na, alam mo ako to be honest, tuwang-tuwa ako pag nakikita ko sila. Yung mga nasa healthier, curvy side,
Yes.
pero naka-crop top. I'm like,
Confident.
yeah, I love it. At bagay sa kanila.
Totoo.
Na hindi mo iisipan kasi dati parang kailangan malaki na agad. Pero ngayon, mas maganda pala yung form-fitting. Lalo na kapag curvy ka.
Oo,
Kasi mas
oo.
nakikita yung shape. Parang may shift na sa part na yon. At the same time, dumami din yung basher. So parang, ano ba talaga? Mas
Yes.
tinatanggap ba natin o mas binabash natin o meron tayong standard na gusto natin na dapat ito lang yung
Yes.
klase ng ganda na katanggap-tanggap?
And then also, Mars, of course, we also have to consider that because a lot of these services are a lot more accessible now. You know, it becomes easier and it's such an easy option now for
Correct.
others to take. And
At saka mas
I feel
normal.
like-
Mas
Yeah.
normal na siya.
Parang remember before na pag sobrang big deal nung Botox.
Yeah.
So I remember si Camille.
Oh my goodness,
had a-
naalala ko yung usapan nating Botox.
Talaga ba?
Siya na lang ang hindi pa. Siya na lang
oo.
ang
Ito.
naninindigan pa. So si Camille had this, merong cooking with cams, di ba? Yung parang you
Yes,
did
yes.
an online show. Tapos nun, so nag-guest ako doon. Tapos I was just sharing my story that in the beginning, I didn't want to do Botox. And I had a friend dermatologist who was like saying, why don't you do it? Tapos sabi ko, I was in my late 30s. Tapos sabi ko, parang gusto ko mag-wait until I was 40.
Yes.
Hindi naman ako no na no doon. Sabi ko, kaya lang parang I wanted to wait until the ripe old age of 40. Para
Tama.
parang feeling ko, deserve ko ng mag-Botox. But I'm always so, mali niya talaga
Conscious.
yung noo ko at saka yung dito. Kasi very expressive yung
Yes,
face ko.
yes.
Na parang sabi nga nung nanay ko, kayo, nagkukwentuhan kayo magkapatid. Kami naman ni Meggie. Yung mga mukha ninyo nakakunot, pero ang sasaya ninyo, yung parang nagkukwentuhan kami, pero ganyan talaga.
Ang dami nangyayari.
Ang dami nangyayari. So because of that, tapos sun exposure, marami,
Yes.
marami, na ako din ang may sala. So ang
Kasi
katapos-tapusan,
gusto mo, happiness mo rin kasama
pero
araw.
masaya naman ako,
Yes.
masaya. So ang ending, mali niya talaga ako. Tapos so my dermatologist friend then convinced me na parang, hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng 40 ka bago ka
That's
magpa-Botox. Hindi pa nga masyadong established yung lalim. Umpisahan
Okay.
na natin.
Correct.
So no early days din ng Botox, matindihan sila mag-Botox ha.
Hindi pa alam yung tamang timpla.
Hindi pa. Wala pang
Oo.
baby Botox.
Wala
Yung
pa.
Banat
Okay.
na banat ka
Oo,
talaga.
yung buong
As in,
bote
hindi
uubusin.
gumagalaw.
Parang ganun.
O
oo.
kaya nagiging yung mga joke. Ano yan,
Yeah,
about
walang
Botox yan.
expression
Yes,
talaga.
yes.
Diba?
Ma-heavy-handed pa sila dati. Ngayon, ang gagaling na eh. So, I did that. So, I was telling Camille, anong time na yun? Sabi ko, doon sa online show niya, cooking show.
I remember
And
this.
then parang people started, sabi ko nga, it must have been a slow day in show business kasi pinatulan nila yung mga pinagsasasabi ko. Kasi parang yung iba yung mga, di kinain mo rin yung sinabi mo na ayaw magpa-botox, katapos-tapusan, mag-botox ka pa rin.
Did you ever say that?
Ano, ito yung comments.
Oh.
Kasi parang, because I said something like, nung una I didn't wanna do it. Siguro
okay,
parang
okay,
then I
oo.
changed my mind. Di kinain mo rin yung sinabi mo. Pero sila, di ba usually
Yes,
nag-away-away
yes.
naman
May
sila?
Sila din.
May mag-protect sa'yo
Yes.
pag tatanggol ka dun sa mga
Yes.
bashers.
Correct. So yung isa naman magpaprotect, pera naman niya, di pabayaan mo siya. Or kunwari, may nagsasabi na, part naman ng trabaho nila na
Correct.
magmukhang maganda kasi nasa TV sila. So sila na yung nagkagulo-gulo. To the point na, when I visited my dad, because when he was still, I'd visit
Oh
him
my
once a
God.
week. Kasi siguro it got carried by a couple other social media
Yeah,
media
yeah.
outlets. Because my dad was like, anak, nagpabotox ka ba? Tapos sabi ko, Dad, dati pa. As in, matagal na. So parang siya naging weirdly big deal. Kaya
Yeah.
sabi ko, siguro walang ganap sa showbiz world nung time na yun. Kasi parang,
Kasi Mars,
why?
especially for the older generation, medyo tabu kasi ito, Mars, di ba? Meron pa rin ganun ng paniniwala.
Yeah.
Meron naman yung mas open-minded na.
Yes, yes.
Na parang, sige, let's hear this out. Di ba? Ako, dati Mars, kapag mga ganyan, machine lang.
Oh, for sure.
Diba?
For sure.
Machine
Oo,
lang.
oo.
But now, when they talk about these beauty things that you can actually avail in clinics, halos lahat lang gusto mo talaga na maganda ang epekto, injectables na Mars.
Oo.
Kasi instant siya.
Yan ba yung mga Barbie arms? Yung
Yan,
mga
tsaka
ganyan?
yung mga, meron silang tinatawag ngayon na exosomes. So,
Ah.
kunwari, Mars, kailangan mo ng more
Plumpness.
plump.
Oo,
Yes.
oo, oo,
Okay.
oo.
Or collagen. Lahat yan, i-infuse na siya sa skin mo.
Siguro
Kasi-
dapat nag-antay muna tayo na may nag-sponsor sa atin dito sa app na to.
Kaya
no?
nga.
Ako may sponsor na.
Ako may sponsor
Ay,
din
Gina
ako. Ewan ko
Jen.
yung Mars. To
Mahal din yung mga
Luminis,
services
Doc
na
Q,
yan, ah.
Totoo
Q.
naman.
Hindi totoo kasi ako, parang sa akin nung una, syempre meron ding hesitations, Mars,
Of course,
diba?
of course.
And even up to this day, meron pa rin naman. Kasi, ang struggle ko, Mars, is that lumaki ako sa industry eh. Hindi ako pwedeng magmukhang, Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo, ate girl? Sino ka dyan?
Parang napasobra
Oo,
na, girl.
napasobra, ate
na.
girl.
Nagpabaya. Yan
Oo.
yung term na ginagamit,
Or,
nagpabaya
pag
naman
naman
tong
may pina-enhance or sabihin natin may halatang halata din because they know how I look like. Marami sa archives na pwedeng balikan.
Sobra. Masyadong marami.
Yes.
Oo.
So, the approach has to be subtle. And parang para sa akin, to each his own eh. Ano ba yung goal mo?
Aha.
Ako gusto ko lang magmukhang fresh.
Christine Hermosa.
Oo.
charot.
Gusto ko lang magmukhang young.
Ah.
At yun lang ang goal ko. Hindi ko, may iba-iba ng goals. Meron kasing, gusto ko parang mas batak. Tsaka mas malaki yung
may
lip. Mas
cheekbone or mas
sultry.
may jaw.
Or sexy. So, syempre, lalakihan natin yung lips natin. Sisingkitin yung eyes. Diba?
Aha.
Ano yun? Fox eyes? Meron ganun, diba? Fox eye. So, hihilahin yun dito para magmukhang parang,
Wow.
yeah, ang dami.
It's so amazing kasi nga, ang layo-layo from our generation na big deal yung Botox versus fox eye ka na. Diyan naman darating din yung priorities. May ibang tao, wala silang care. Yung kahit ikaw na frustrate na for them na parang, mag-ayos-ayos ka naman. Alam mo, ang ganda nito talaga. Kaya lang, ang tinan mo naman itsura, hindi nag-aayos. May tao na, wala akong pake.
Ganyan ba yung feeling mo minsan sa akin, Mars?
Alam mo, hindi lang sa'yo yung feeling ko. Ako naging ganun na rin, Mars. Kaya yung
Nandamay
asawa
ka
ko
pa
naman
eh.
parang,
Nandamay
Love,
ka eh.
Mag-ayos-ayos
Love,
ka naman.
simple na nga lang yung request ng asawa ko eh. Magsuklay ka naman.
Hoy, Mars ah.
Mag-bad trip ako nun, Mars, kasi sinala, Mommy, can I borrow a comb? Pagtingin ko sa bag ko, wala. Yung parang minsan si VJ yung, ang lalaki, okay lang na walang suklay. Pero yung mahaba ang buhok na walang dalang suklay, parang love. Kung di mo isipin yung sarili mo, isipin mo na yung anak mo.
Nagsuklay na ako kanina eh.
Oo,
Sabi mo,
okay
akala
na
ko ba
yun.
hindi na siya nagsuklay?
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God. So
But yes.
I guess it's that, no? So una sa lahat, how far do you go? Why do you want to go that far? So it's a lot of things eh. Like kunwari, may tao na dream niya talaga dati na lumaki yung boobs niya. Or meron tayong mga artista na mga bisita ha, na syempre wala namang magka-call out sa kanila. Parang lumaki yung boobs mo ngayon. Wala namang ganon. Pero sometimes they volunteer that information
Aha.
too. I guess it's in a way na nakaka-diffuse din yun na parang nagigilty ba ako dahil nagpa-botox ako? Kasi nasabi ko, pag kunwari, sabihin sa akin ng mga tao paminsan, lalo na yung halatang ka-generation ko or a little older, alam mo, ang bata pala na itsura. Ilan taon ka na? 50. Bakit pang bata itsura? Nagpapabotox po ako. As in, inaamin ko sa kanila.
Okay.
Na parang, sa totoo po, nagpapabotox po ako. At nag-aalaga ako sa sarili ko. Nagkukulay din po ako ng buhok.
Yeah.
Sabi ko kasi ang buhok ko ay puti na
Putiin.
siya. Sabi ni Lord Ramos, hi Mars! Sabi ni Lord, I'm about 70 to 80% white-haired.
Really?
Tapos nagbubutox ako, di ba? So imagine niyo kung wala lahat yon. Tapos naka-microblade yung Imagine yung itsura ko nang wala yun. Ayoko, di ba?
Talaga, ate.
Ayoko.
Nasanay na rin kasi.
Yeah.
But you know, others could be confident and happy still in that
Sure.
kind of.
Pero
Yes.
ako ayoko.
But yeah, but
Oo,
for
personally.
Personally, ayoko.
ayoko.
And not just because, una sa lahat, it's my work, which I'm grateful for kasi
We have to,
napipilitan
yeah,
yun.
yeah.
Napipilitan kami na mag-ayos, at least for me, na mag-ayos-ayos.
Kahit
Kasi
paano.
ito yung work
Trabaho.
namin eh. Kahit naman, may bare minimum naman sana ng presentable na itsura sa
Yes,
TV or
correct,
dito sa
correct.
podcast.
Nakikinabag na lang yung mga asawa natin.
Oo.
Correct.
Pero at the same time, I also want to look at for
Yeah.
myself and for my
Totoo,
husband. Kaya kayo si VJ sinasabi ako walang suklay. Ako pag natapat ako sa salamin, hindi mo naman sinabi na labas-labas na pala yung mga puti. Yung, sabihan mo naman ako ito masyado naman accepting yung isa. Hindi naman ako nasabihan.
Mahal ka kasi masyado. But it doesn't matter to him.
Oo. So, it's a lot of things when we decide to take the first step
true.
and then how far you wanna take it.
Okay.
Pero katapos-tapusan nun, ano yung value niya sa'yo?
Yes. Does it make you happy?
Yes. Yun yun.
Diba?
Yun
Ano
yun.
yung goal mo?
Mm.
Bakit mo siya ginagawa? Kumbaga parang everything that we do, anong aspeto man na ng buhay natin, ano ba yung purpose niya? How is this
Mm-mm.
serving me?
Yes,
Diba? Am I doing this to please others? Yan, medyo delix yan.
Mm-mm.
Kasi walang katapusan yun.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung ano yung opinion nila, hahabulin mo siya ng hahabulin. So I think that has to be the first clear thing
Yes.
before you jump into anything, especially sa panahon ngayon.
Yes.
Na talagang grabe na ang access to a lot of things. Ito si Mars meron tong hinanaingi.
Yes.
Nanawagan
Wag
ka
mo
na.
nang pangalanan.
Mars,
Baka madulas
Marcia,
ka pa.
eto
Buti
nang-
na lang taping ito.
ito ng pagkakataon mo na manawagan sa mga gusto mong
Mga gusto
ipagawa
mo.
sana. Pero hindi ka
And
na pa yan.
actually, my dilemma is, yun nga, parang you want to look fresh, you want to look good, and not just for yourself, but also for your husband. When you have friends that, you know,
So yun yung mape-pressure ka ng umamin. Yun na yun, Mars.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Oo naman.
Oh, so when you have friends that get these things done and in a good way,
Oo.
for me, I'm like, oh, okay, it's not so bad pala. It's not what I thought
Yeah,
it was.
yeah.
May mga artista din na alam kong nagpagawa and magandang pagkagawa, pero over time parang nasobrahan na, tapos parang,
Ano
Parang,
nangyari?
it's like, alam mo, kung may mahahanap ka sa mukha mo, meron ka namang mahahanap talaga na
Well,
pwede
I
mong
guess.
baguhin.
Pero hindi.
There will always be
Not-
something
not
that
so
you'll
much
find.
eh. Wala eh.
But I guess it's also important that you surround yourself with true friends.
Yeah.
Because like I was talking to Han about it, and she was like, Chong. I said, Chong, if ever I do get something, Hannah Olives, my best friend.
Bessie.
My bestie, the one that you always see me working out with.
Yes.
So like, you know, like we talk about these things kasi Mars din siya eh.
Oh,
Mars ko yun eh.
yes.
So, you know, when we work out, we talk about these things and I tell her, if I were to get things done and I took it too far, would you tell me? Even if you knew that happy ako dito, would you tell me? And she'd be like, Chong, sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Ang lala na. Tumigil ka na dyan.
Oo,
Hindi na tama.
Oo.
Yeah, I think someone has to do that. At least. Kung may totoong kaibigan ka man. At ito yung mga gusto mong i-goal sa buhay mo. Kasi tiwala ka dun eh.
But Mars, but what if yun na yung happiness mo?
Oo nga. Kasi some people
What
yun.
if nag-shift na yung tingin mo?
Sarili mong concept of what makes a beautiful version of
Yes,
you.
and then what if it's really your happiness now? And
Complicated.
I wanna have
Alam mo,
fun.
And
may
for that,
movie na
sama
ganyan.
natin ang guest natin na si... Kailangan, kasi hindi na natin alam eh. Nandito po siya para sabihin sa atin, ba't hindi siya tumigil sa atin? Kasi wala pa kaming concept. Hindi pa kami umabot doon. Hindi pa kami...
Wala po kaming makuha guest na gustong umamin kung bakit ayaw nilang
Kasi wala
tumigil.
pa kasi tayong kinakausap.
Kami muna to for the first few episodes.
Mars,
This is just
una
girl,
sa lahat.
this is just
Wala
girl
naman
talk.
tayong pwedeng kausapin na aamin din.
Oo,
Sige nga.
Oo.
Sino?
Totoo. Kasi kaya
Meron
nga
akong isang
patuloy.
naiisip, pero
Pag
ang
tinanong
hirap
mo,
na tanongin nun.
it's
Parang,
kind of hard.
when is it enough? O, diba? Ang hirap din, ang hirap din nun.
Like another thing that I've been encountering often in my thread is yung pampapayat Mars.
Yan.
Yan. You're so Yan. Yan.
Tempting
alam
kasi,
mo,
Tempting
naririnig ko
talaga.
rin kayo. Naririnig ko rin
Actually.
kayo.
At saka
It is
ngayon,
tempting.
dumami na yung supply, ah.
Oy, oo.
Dumami
Dati
yung
kasi
supply.
parang ang hirap.
Totoo.
Napakadali.
Oo, parang sa drugstore, pwede ka na nga kumuha.
Napakabilis. Actually, that's what bothers me. Napakabilis. And so it's so tempting because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's, trying to lose
Of
weight.
course.
And is probably also getting very impatient with progress.
Yeah.
Diba? So, there are these options out there and it's getting so tempting, but I also feel like, what happened to the
Old school
akala ko
way
wala
of
na
doing
yung,
things.
Akala ko hindi na
Yung
uso
old
yung
school
thinnest
kasi,
in. Akala
hindi,
ko,
yung old
Tagal.
school kasi, depende sa sipag at disiplina mo yun.
Totoo.
Eh, hindi
Ito,
naman lahat
depende sa
may
gutom.
ganun.
Depende sa gutom. Pero
At sa
alam mo,
tapang
no,
mo
but
na
also
lang.
I feel like, bakit nauso ulit yung thinnest in?
I think,
Akala
Mars,
ko
hindi
nawala
naman
na
talaga siya
yun.
nawala eh. Yung thinness in, hindi talaga siya nawala.
mas
Kaya
naging
lang-
accepting na lang tayo of, iba't iba tayo ng
Eh,
shape.
ganun
At saka
talaga
iba-iba
eh.
tayo ng size.
Oo.
Pero at the same time, wag mo sabihin sa akin na may isang tao sabihin niya, okay sa kanya magpakahirap at saka kumain ng tama at saka okay lang sa kanya. Gusto niyang
yun
lumiit.
pa rin ang
Yeah.
goal.
Gusto niya lumiit.
Oh.
So now, at the very least, I'm hoping those who are taking advantage of this new technology nga, nag-guided sila by doctors. Kasi I think lumalabas na rin naman na yung may mga long-term effects din
Yes,
siya. Na
yes.
bumabalik din siya sa'yo after a year and 7 months. Parang gumawa naman sila ng study eh. Na
Yeah.
yung weight gain mo, parang babalik ka rin sa umpisa. I guess if you don't do these certain things.
Right.
Yeah.
Blah, blah, blah. So, those protocols have to be given to you by your doctors.
Yes.
Para ang ending nun, hindi ka bumalik din sa dati, di umulit ka lang din ulit.
Oo.
Yes.
At saka hindi ka pwede mag-rely dun eh. Na yun lang yung gagawin mo, tas papayat ka na forever.
Oo.
Yeah.
Papayat ka talaga kasi hindi ka halos maakain eh. Kasi
Well,
yun yung
yes.
effect niya.
But it's not long-term.
Pero yung muscle loss mo nandyan.
Yeah.
Sinasabi
Bone density.
Yan. So may
May
mga ganyang
effect din
stuff.
siya.
So those are the things that you need to prepare for.
Yeah.
Now for others naman, they choose parang lesser evil eh. May diabetes ka.
Yeah.
Diba? It's affecting all of your organs because you're so big.
I mean,
Right.
I get it if it's for health reasons.
Sure, for sure. Yes, yes.
It's
But
different
what
if
if
it's
it's
for
just
health
aesthetic?
reasons, but if it's for aesthetics, for me, it's like,
Pero kung aesthetics, ito naman ang isip ko. Siyempre, this is assuming that you're taking this, pero hindi ka naman obese to begin with.
Sakto lang.
Pag malaki ka kasi, marami din siyang nangyayari sa katawan mo
Yeah.
because you're carrying so much fat din
Yes.
sa'yo, di ba? So that's why nga, parang, I think may bagong version siya na pwede siya, as long as you're obese, parang ganyan.
Yeah. Kasi,
Kasi
maraming
because
matatanggal talaga.
I think it
Oo
was
eh.
really intention.
Dapat
the
sa
intention was
diabetes
for that
yata siya
talaga.
nung una. Parang
Oo,
ganyan. Uy guys sige mag-comment na lang yung mga doktor dito at mga kung ano-ano lang. Pinag-uusapan lang siguro kasi namin yung dangers niya in the future in our pursuit to look very good. In our pursuit to look slender,
Yes.
etc. So I guess we're also just chiming in on, I know that this is a new available technology for anyone can take advantage of. Lalo na kung may whatever, may supply ka namang makukuha, etc. Pag binalanse mo ba siya, is it gonna be worth it in the end? Parang ganun.
Yes.
Ganda. Siguro ang babalikan ko lang dito, Mars, nag-e-evolve lang din kasi itong mga bagay na to. I remember when I was younger, there was this thing na nauso na pills naman. Slimming pills
Alam ko
naman.
to, alam ko
Oo.
to.
Marami to.
Oo.
Na mga bilog-bilog na iba-ibang kulay, di ba? Ako, I get it. There was a time in my life, especially when I was young, that my job requires me to be thin. And minsan out of desperation, gagawin mo siya eh. Kasi ang at risk doon trabaho mo.
Yeah.
Kabuhayan mo. But then, looking back, I realized also na kapag mas bata ka kasi mas careless ka sa mga desisyon. Kasi feeling mo, bata ako, kaya pa to ng katawan ko. Di ba wala naman sigurong mangyayaring masama sa akin. Konti lang naman to. Another lie is that hindi lang naman ako ang gumagawa nito. And then after that, may nauso na naman. Ito yung mga naaalala ko na I was able to actually see and probably have tried na parang na-realize ko na hindi to tama. Meron doon ito, kape naman. It's a coffee mix. I forgot what it was. And then you drink it. And then yung effect niya is hindi ka nagugutom. Halos lahat naman to is suppressant talaga. That's the goal. For you to not eat para hindi ka mag-gain.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So, ang nararamdaman ko lang nun ate and I realized I don't think this is right. So, I drank the coffee and then after that, yung pakiramdam ko gusto ko lang tumulala. Yung nakaganon ka lang.
Kaya pala hindi ka makakain kasi tulala ka lang eh. Hindi ba yung parang,
Tinitingnan mo na lang yung
Oo,
pagkain mo.
Tuyong-tuyo ka lang.
Oo.
Tapos parang wala kang ganang kumain. Tapos it makes you dull.
Yeah.
So it makes me wonder, what's in this coffee that makes me feel like I'm stuck? Parang you're daydreaming. Parang you're like,
wow.
ganon. As in, stuck ka sa moment na yun na parang, ayokong gumalaw. Parang kaya kung nakaganito lang ako ng matagal na panahon. Ganon.
Ang hirap naman maging productive pala sa ganyang.
Yes.
Meron namang isa dati, tsaa. It keeps making you
Going
going
to the
going to the
toilet.
bathroom. So, syempre nga naman, water weight mo bababa, gagaan ka talaga pag
Pero
nag-weigh
ninipis
ka.
naman daw yung
Ninip-
bituka
Oo.
mo.
Pero naiintindihan ko rin yung mga tao na dati pa nilang pangarap na pumayat.
Yes.
Na umi-effort.
Yes.
May tao namang ganun.
Yes.
Kumakain ng tama, nag-exercise. Hindi ko pa rin ma-achieve. Gusto ko lang for once in my life, ma-achieve ko yung best body that I could ever have. So hindi ko rin sila masisi in that
And
sense.
it's hard because I really don't want to advocate for these things because I believe that we're on the same page and we want to push for women, especially, moms, because really it's the moms that go through all these body changes and, they work so hard. I mean, it's hard work enough just to survive.
Oo.
Just
And
to actually
even-
carry a child
and-
at yung pagbabago na yun buwan-buwan.
Exactly. And even more when you're trying to get back into shape, trying to gain strength, trying to feel good again in your
Yeah,
own skin. And the reality is, somebody's might be able to bounce back, somebody's might not. I remember before I was able to bounce back right after Primo, after
Yeah,
Leon, Alana, and then it started to get a little harder and a little harder. And that's
super.
just my reality.
Yeah.
And I want to be comfortable with that and accept that and be happy with what I look like, with what my body can do, with the strength that I have. Because I would hate for moms out there to feel like, sige, yan na lang ako. And then they take it or they do it. And then, yun nga, they haven't made the other lifestyle changes. And then it's just going to put them in a worse place
Yeah.
once they're off of it. So parang it's so hard, mamas. It's going to be hard work, but we can also be proud of in this new body that we're
That's
in.
true.
And it is going to take extra work. I mean, I'm still there. I'm still struggling. I feel like I'm doing all the right things. But at the end of the day, if you know that you're getting stronger, if you feel good, then you must be doing something right.
Correct.
So ibalik natin, paano nga ba natin mapapa-feel good yung sarili natin? Like kunwari, I want to be thin, but okay, I'm studying the risks of taking this drug, etc. Paano ba natin na tayo na lang manggaling sa atin? Na parang, okay na to. I'm not bad looking, di ba? I'm
Yeah.
fair. I have a little fat here, but generally I'm fit, di ba?
Yes.
Those things kind of show, ha? I remember
Yeah.
when I saw your mom, sabi ko, tita, parang iba yung itsura mo, hindi ko ma-figure out kung ano. It's not like she lost so much weight. It's not like she changed
Yeah.
so much. So sabi niya, I've been swimming almost daily. And it shows sa kanya how strong she is and how parang confident she is. Nag-iba yung overall aura niya.
Parang nag-lift, yung
Iba,
nag-tighten.
iba.
Totoo.
Tapos kunwari mga nakikita ko ng mga Zumba moms,
Yeah.
kapag napakakasalubong kayo mga yan, kasi nagre-remote kami minsan sa mga barabarangay, they are so confident, they're so loquacious, yung madaldal sila, machika sila. They wear all of these bright clothes. They're not thin,
Ang
ha?
happy ng energy
Oo,
nila.
Ang ganda
by
ng
any
posture.
means, hindi sila yung mga perfect body. So meron mga mom pouches
Yeah.
and whatever. But they're so confident. Exactly, ganyan sila. Ang mga balikat nila, ganyan, tas super chika sila. They've got this glow about them that gives them that kind of confidence without that perfect body.
Yes.
Without that perfect face na walang wrinkles, etc. A lot of it comes from, ito na naman, syempre bilang in-advocate naman namin yung pag-workout. Grabe. And
Yes.
Late-
Movement pa rin
movement
talaga.
siya. Merong research sila na parang, syempre hindi ko masabi ko anong research, parang, I could be
meron.
making this up. Na yung muscles din na build mo sa katawan mo or yung pag-exercise mo, it shows in your skin too.
Yes.
So maybe that's what I saw dun sa nanay mo
Sa
na hindi
mom
ko
ko.
ma-place na, tita,
Anong
hindi ko ma-gets
meron?
anong meron.
Yes.
Nag-exercise sana nag-exercise. So it's just those things. You'll see that your body may not be perfect even after.
It might not be what you want it to be.
Yes. Pero katapos-tapusan nun, you'll see that you'll stand a little taller because you know you're doing something for,
For
yourself.
yourself.
Yes.
Oo.
Ganda nun, ate. And I think yung maganda rin na ma-realize ako, yung iba ka bago ka magkaroon ng anak, bago ka magkaroon ng pamilya. And if you're someone naman na it's not just about childbearing, it's just really the season that you're in. Iba ang katawan mo pag ikaw nasa 20s pa baba. Balingkinitan ka
Yes.
talaga niyan,
And
di
you
ba?
really bounce back faster.
Yes. When you reach your 20s to 30s, nagkakalaman ka na niyan. Kasi nagbabago din yung metabolism.
But to think, Mars, I'm sure at that age, feeling mo malaman ka na when you were actually balingkinitan. Is that what you call it?
that's
Yes.
true.
Like Hannah, it's like,
Yeah.
Chong, look at this picture of me back in ano. And to think that I
Akala
remember,
mo.
I used to think I was big at that time.
Yes. Di ba?
Diba?
Kasi may nagbabago talaga sa'yo eh. Yung collagen ng katawan mo.
Ibang
Yung,
shape, iba.
Lagi siyang nagbabago.
Yeah.
May pareho, pero alam mo na, iba-iba rin talaga yung itsura ko nung teenager ako,
Oo.
nung 20s ako, nung 30s ako. And it's about being able to accept that. Na nag-e-evolve kasi talaga tayo.
And you, Be, just being able to say that out loud. Kahit ako, listening to you, kami ni Ian, our viewers dito, na ma-realize mo nga, shucks, oo nga, no? Balikan nyo yung mga picture nyo dati.
Yes.
Hindi na kayo babalik sa ganung itsura.
hindi
Kahit
na
anong
talaga.
effort nyo. Yung kapayatan ko dati sa Mars, halos wala akong taba niyan, tas super long, lean,
Yes.
ano yan, ang liit dito mga damit ko. Hindi ko na siya mababalikan.
Really? And
Pero
in my
yung
head,
stage
this
ko-
has always been used
No,
to.
my arms were so thin na sinasabi ako, ni Ate May na naman, Ate May, second episode ka nang nababanggit.
Regular
na
ka
tinitry
ha.
nilang gawa ng way
Magkalaman?
Magkaroon ng laman?
or ma-cover siya for some reason kasi masyado siyang payat.
Payat.
Oh,
It was so
wow.
thin that way. Tapos umabot na ako sa point na ganyan, nagka-struggles, nagka-anak, nagpe-perimenopause. So the shape that my body is in now, it's still trying to be fit and everything, will never be that shape as
Yes.
before. And I kept for the longest time wanting to go back there.
Yun.
I want to go back there. I want to be slim and long and lean like that before. Hindi na eh.
Hindi
Hindi
na.
na siya babalik sa'yo.
But
So,
are you
kailangan
still,
ko siya
but are you still
tanggapin to.
trying?
Hindi,
get
alam ko
there?
na hindi eh.
Okay.
Kailangan ko na baguhin yung workout ko.
Yes.
Kailangan ko na dagdagan yung barthy. Kailangan ko na dagdagan siya ng
Yes.
heavy weights.
Yes.
So that I can maintain more muscle as I get older. Iba na. Nag-shift na
Naging
siya.
iba na.
Iba na yung
Kailangan-
needs ko.
Yung
It-
mga
iba
workout
yan.
mo,
Iba yung need,
mas
iba
magaan
yung
na sa
priorities.
Sa tuhod. Oo, iba na. Low cardio na ako kasi tumataas yung cortisol. Kapag masyado maraming cardio and I'm older. Hindi ako
Cortisol is stress.
Yes. Ngayon, pag when you get older, lalo na if you work out, cardio closer to the end of the day, hindi ka na halos makakatulog niyan.
Correct.
The reason
I
why,
like that.
the reason why, especially with Susie's age, you don't want to increase cortisol. Akala mo na, wow. Hindi, pero
Iba.
Because kapag mataas na yung cortisol, that's when you get hungry. That's where you want to eat because your body's stressed.
And andyan ako sa season na yan ngayon. I just turned 40. I'm turning 41 this year. So dati, sanay ako na buhat, cardio. Ngayon, nanonotice ko, yung energy ko, hindi na siya kagaya nung dati. So inaaral ko din na asking Ate Susie, research also, asking doctors, may mga supplements na ba ako na kailangan i-take? Kasi ito na yung nararamdaman ko. Ano na yung mga bagay na kailangan kong baguhin sa workout ko. So kasabay ng pagbabago ng katawan mo, may binabago ka rin sa nakasanayan mo.
Yeah.
So what we're trying to get to is that meron tayong ideal look of ourselves.
Like
Oh, wow.
even
Us.
now.
Yes.
Even now.
And
I mean,
it's nice.
you might think we're perfect.
Oh, thanks. But no. But no.
But really,
We are still struggling
Yes,
through this.
Yes. Tama.
and we're trying our best and we will try to get as close as we can to how we want to look like.
We're still gonna work hard.
Of course. Kasi syempre, gusto mo pa rin namang maging maayos ka doon sa season na kung nasaan ka. Pero para subukan mong ibalik kung paano ka dati, you're just constantly gonna live in a time of stressing yourself
Yeah.
out, frustrating yourself over something na hindi na mangyayari. So, yun lang. I think that's the only thing that I want to share.
Especially without changes being made.
Yes, without sacrifices, without risks,
Yes,
also
yes,
to your
yes.
body. Ang daming factors na kailangang i-consider. So, ang beauty standards natin, iba-iba yan for everyone. Meron tayong certain in our lives na feeling ko pinakamaganda ako nung ito yung edad ko. Ngayon gusto ko, dun lang ako. Gusto ko huminto na yung edad ko nung 36 ako, 37 ako kasi yun yung medyo nangayayat ako eh. For some could be younger, di ba? Meron
Yes.
namang mapapansin mo, nung younger sila, chubby. Nung nagpamilat, nagkaedad, pumayat.
Yes.
Meron namang other way around din.
totoo.
And you know, yun yung realization ko na parang, hindi mo talaga masasabi, no? Kung saan ka mapupunta. Kasi meron nung almost all their lives, they're so thin.
Yeah.
And then when they got older, nagkalaman na.
Yep.
Di ba? Meron naman na nung una, kabaligtaran. So
Yeah.
parang, you'll never know which one will fall on you.
But that's
Diba? It's the beauty of that.
But that's why it's also important that you surround yourself with the right people, with the people that will support the growth that you want to achieve.
Absolutely. Tama.
Because of course, if you're surrounded by people that are just gonna make you feel insecure, then that's not really doing you
Yung
any
tuwing
good.
makikita ka, Mars, ano yan? Sa mga ano, ay naku, patanggal mo yan.
Oo,
Yung
hair
refer
mo
ko
medyo
sa'yo
dull
yung
na.
doctor ko.
Ayan na.
Magpakulay ka nga ng hair. Ano
Ipa-cellophane.
ba
May
yan?
nagsicellophane pa.
Ayan.
Hindi ko- Guys, paki-comment ha. May nagsicellophane pa. Cellophane.
Oo nga, no, I haven't heard that term.
Ate, yung hot oil nga, parang dun sa salon na pinuntahan ko, wala nang hot
Wala
oil.
nang hot oil.
Parang
Oil.
malamig eh. Parang may nilagay
parang
sa
mentol na,
buko.
parang mentol na yung
Yung
nilalagay.
plancha, parang yelo.
May ganun na.
See, so we don't know.
Kumbaga nagbabago na yung mga
Nagbabago,
technology na
yes.
available sa ating mga papaganda.
Dati init, di ba?
Yes,
Ngayon,
always
lamig
heat.
na pala ang...
May
Oh.
ganun na pala.
So sabay lang tayo dun sa natin gusto, dalhin yung ating sariling kagandahan. Pero ang ending lang naman yan is how that makes you feel about you. Katulad na sinabi nyo kanina, parang if you were doing it for somebody else, problema yan. Paano pag nag-break kayo nun? Tapos ang dami nang unang pinagawa, tapos hindi ka pala masaya to begin with.
Oo.
And you end up looking not like how you wanted to look, but because may pinat-please ka na tao sana. So yung sakto-saktuhan lang, the confidence comes from you knowing that you're making an effort to take care of yourself. Mag-skincare ka, mag-sunblock ka pag lalabas ka, mag-supplements ka, mag-workout ka, mag-research ka. Kung may papagawa kayo sa face niyo, especially sa face niyo, gastusan niyo na ng maganda. Yung pumunta kayo sa clinic na may magandang track record, doktor na mag-guide sa
Kesa
inyo.
mabotched.
Yes, yung kesa mabotch, mas magastos pa yun. Kung magti-take advantage kayo ng mga peptides, that's a new buzzword ngayon. Parang marami din ina-address yung peptide. Make sure pupunta kayo sa clinic na very well guided kayo. Pinapa-blood test kayo before and after.
Yes.
Bakit ka tumatawag sa peptides?
Coming here today, nasa ano ko, nagbabrowse ako, Mars, ng mga serum-serum.
Oh, ano?
As in, just today, this morning, I'm like, makabili na nga ng mga... Kasi, okay, ito yung struggle ko today. My skin is extra dry. And I used to be so oily.
Okay.
So, sanay ako na lahat ng mga skincare ko,
Ang oily skin.
For
Okay,
oily skin.
exaggeration yun kasi wala akong skincare. Ano lang talaga, Mars?
Face
Cleanser
wash.
lang. Cleanser o face wash. O tapos nun,
Moisturizer, wala?
pag sinwerte at sinipag, magmo-moisturizer. Pero usually sunscreen.
Oh.
Pero,
Because this is the reality of a mom.
Oo.
tsaka kasi mahal kasi siya, Mars.
Oo.
Ang mahal. So kanina sabi ko, dry na talaga ng skin ko. Tapos may isang makeup artist na friend ko na inasar ako. Kasi mini-makeupan niya ako. Sabi niya, Mars, huwag kang maglagay ng anything sa face mo. Akong bala sa skincare. Okay. Pag gano'n niya, aray, nasugat yung kamay
Ay,
ko.
grabe siya.
Kilala
You
mo
know who
kung
you
sino
are.
ka. Kilala mo kung sino ka. Hindi ko kinalimutan yun. Sabi ni Mars, ano ba yan? Ang gas pa nga. Ang dry! Sabi ko, ganun ba? Kasi nga, I don't really make an effort to put these things on my face. So, coming here today, sabi ko, I think 41, deserve ko na siguro mag-skincare. So, eto na si ate girl, nag-add to cart. Ano kailangan ko? Niacinamide, hyaluronic,
Wow, yes.
retinol,
Vitamin C.
Meron akong nakita doon, bakukyol.
Oh, Bakukyol, yan, bagong ano
Okay
yan.
ba yun?
ano
Okay.
yun?
Korean, So,
Okay.
Add to cart. Okay, sige, check out ko na. Mars, 30,000. Oh, o di, escape yung app. Dead man na lang
Wag ka
ulit.
doon, ako mag-ano sa'yo kung saan.
Close up. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Oo, ako na.
Diba? I think
Oo.
that's also what we need to know now.
Yes.
Ano ba yung tamang skincare mo sa edad mo na to? Kasi nandun ako sa season na yun na ang daming nagbabago sa katawan ko. Balat ko, metabolism ko, energy ko, lahat na. So parang I'm also in that season wherein I feel like I'm lost. But tinatanggap ko kasi na nagta-transition kasi ako. And I just want to talk to people who will encourage me and give me good advice. Ano yung mga dapat kong gawin para makabalik ako dun sa dating ako.
Because the reality is what used to work for you doesn't
No,
work
no,
anymore.
yes.
So you just have to roll with the changes.
Totoo yan. So, yun yung first step siguro. Yung tanggapin nyo kung saang season kayo
Yeah.
nasaan ngayon. Kayo ba ay nasa season na sobra kayong busy kasi nagsa-start kayo sa isang trabaho, sobra kayong stress, wala kayong tulog. That will show sa face ninyo. That will make you feel haggard. Tapos para may isip mo, ano ba mga pwede kong gawin para mag-improve yung look ko?
Yeah.
It's really going back to the basics of taking care of yourself.
Correct.
And investing in yourself on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Drinking water,
Yeah.
tulog, kumain ng
Eating
prutas.
right, yes.
Oo, eating right. Alam mo, all those things contribute to that. And the making yourself feel good. Kasi alam mong may ginagawa ka for yourself.
Correct.
Yun din yun, na
Parang
parang,
talaga yun.
basta ako, healthy ako, happy ako, marami akong reklamo, gusto ko sana, wala
Yes.
akong kataba-taba
This
dito.
body might not be the body that I want, but
yes. Pero at least I'm trying, di ba?
Yun.
Oo.
Wag
and at
susuko.
least I'm happy and may mga nagmamahal sa akin.
I
Ng
love
totoo.
that.
Diba?
Well said. That's a great way to end it kasi I think it's those people who are around us. Katulad niyan, kahit nga nagalit si Drew. Pero yung bilib niya sa'yo. Sa ganda,
Sa
mo
ganda
kaya.
ko, di ba? Ang
Hindi
ganda
mo
ko,
kailangan
grabe,
kahit
ang ganda ko.
Yun, yun eh. Yun yung message niya eh. Kaya siya nagagalit eh.
Yeah.
Why are you needing to change
Actually,
anything?
hindi galit eh. More of like na-frustrate na
Yes.
parang why do you even,
That's it.
why
Yeah,
are you
yeah,
even
yeah.
thinking that you need it?
Can I share na kaya
Mars,
rin-
pati kami nagalit eh.
Oo.
Mars,
Wala ka
isi-share ko
namang
lang.
lines eh.
Isi-share
Anim
ko
pa
lang.
bukas natin dyan.
Na kaya ako do you remember when I got that boycott?
Yeah.
Request na yun. Gandang-ganda siya.
Kaya pala nasundan si Duday.
Yes.
Nang dalawa pa.
Pero Mars, hindi ko makita yung nakikita niya. So, hindi ko na inulit.
At least walk lang yun.
nagpapala ako,
Hindi
Because-
hindi siya permanent change.
And the
diba?
truth was, yeah, it makes you happy, but it doesn't make me happy. So,
Even mas yun pa rin yung trip ni Pars na hair mo sana.
he loves my
Talaga?
short hair. I don't know. I don't see the beauty that he sees in me with my short hair. But at the end of the day, it didn't make me happy.
Oo. So at least,
So, nagpaba ko.
try
hindi ka
na
humindi
magbigyan.
naman agad.
Yes,
Oo.
yes, yes.
Kahit hindi
Binigyan
ka,
ko siya ng
binigyan mo ng
chance.
chance.
Correct,
Pero hindi
correct.
talaga. Not for you. Not for you.
Yes.
Yan. So, ayan mga Mars. I think
Oh.
everybody is so unique. Kaya nga yung mga fingerprints natin, unique yan, di ba? Wala ka namang katulad niyan, di ba? We are also different. We can emulate other people. We hope to have Linda Hamilton's body or kilala niyo pa ba si Linda Hamilton?
Si Wonder
Sino
Woman
daw?
Terminator.
Okay, okay.
Hindi, iba yun.
Sino si Wonder Woman?
Ay, yung nawala.
Naku, nawala na ako. Oo nga, iba yun.
Iba rin
pero
yun.
ang ganda rin nun. Sobrang
Linda Hamilton, i-google ko nga
Yan, tama ba, Linda Hamilton? Basta yun nasa Terminator, yung babae na nasa Terminator
Okay,
movie.
basta yun.
She's so fit and stuff. Or kung may face kayo na gustong-gusto na, I wish I was as beautiful as this person, this model, this artista. Yun yung mga wish natin para sa sarili natin. And I guess some of us might even try to get that wish by spending money, di ba? By having our visions finally achieved. Pero katapos-tapusan, ano ba yung talagang magpapaligaya ba siya sa'yo? Kung ang sagot niya dyan ay yes, it will make me happy, go for it.
And long term,
Go
ha?
for it. Yes, go for it.
There are good investments.
Yes, yes.
Diba? Na talagang alam mong, pag nagawa ko to, okay na ako.
Yes.
So yun lang naman yung goal natin dito.
There's nothing better than being your own beautiful.
Ganda. Okay na yun. Mic drop na.
Okay,
Okay
mic
na.
drop.
Bye,
Okay,
guys.
that's it. We'll see you guys next week. Dito lang sa Kami ang inyong mga...